for your energy, but they cannot compete with it. They will never ever compare. Hashtag Tory Tarot, because she always says that, and I love it. I know she's not the first person to say it, but I love when she says it. But literally, like, this person is trying to rival you for your energy. How can you try and rival someone for their essence? The reason why they're doing it is because they want to gain your authority. They want to gain your blessings. They want to be viewed the way that you are viewed. And they're trying to do this subtly by trying to block you. So they feel like if they push you out of an environment, for some of you, they're trying to mimic your energy. They're trying to appear, like they're not doing it. Whoever this person is, they've been watching you. They've been watching your swag. They've been monitoring you. They've been taking notes, and they're subtly trying to build some type of image around your essence. Maybe they're fearful that you're going to gain a love interest, or maybe they are jealous of a romantic relationship that you are in, and they feel to themselves, okay, if I copy this person, or if I appear more better than this person, if I block this person, then whoever they're dating will view me as an eligible third party, and they will not find that person attractive. They'll find me attractive, and they will want me more. So this person, I feel like they're trying to build their image off of yours. I'm hearing they're trying to become more edgy. They're trying to be more caring. And this person is literally a fan. Maybe they may have aligned with certain people to try and target you, or you are definitely a topic of conversation. And when your name comes up during these conversations, this person gets very jealous, get very angry, because maybe people sing your praises. Maybe it's part of a friendship group. Could be someone at work, because we have the 10th house card for me here, the Ace of Pentacles. Maybe you're viewed highly at work. Maybe you're very well respected. So they're trying to understand, why is this person respected? Why are they viewed highly? I do the same thing that they do, if not better. So you may find that this person is trying to rival you at work. They're trying to work harder than you. They're trying to appear more affluent, hardworking than the boss, or to the boss. If you are a boss or something of that sort, if you own your own home business, if you are a mother, they're trying to rival you in regards to motherhood, in regards to being a better parent than you. It's very strange. I also feel, touching upon the 10th house energy, you are very visible, because your MC, your 10th house, talks about your visibility, your fame. And I feel like you are possibly the most talked about, possibly the most sought after, possibly the most recommended person, more than this individual is. And they feel like their star is not shining because you're around. So they may feel like, okay, let me try and act like this person. Let me try and be like this person. Let me try and dress like this person, appear different like this person. But it's not working. It's not working at all. And this person may go as far as to try and push you out of social settings. They may have tried to push you and block you, because they've definitely tried to block you in some way. They've tried to sabotage you. They've tried to find dirt on you. They tried to destroy your reputation in some way. They're trying to rival you for, like I mentioned before, your energy. And they feel like they're not seen in the same light. So if I get rid of this person, if I block them from certain opportunities, networking events. People won't see them. People won't like them. I won't have to feel bad about myself. This is the type of thoughts that they have. So they may have, been very instrumental in regards to intervening in a friendship. Maybe trying to separate a friendship, which is the same thing, right? And possibly trying to isolate you, socially isolate you, and snatch opportunities away from you, not passing on messages to you, not passing on, advice or links to opportunities, because they feel like you're going to move forward with these opportunities. This could be opportunities in regards to love. Say like someone has a hot for you, right? And a lot of people like this guy, or a lot of people like this girl, and this guy or girl's got options. This person may like you, and they may have said something or said, oh, give that person my number, or I really like him, or I really like her. You know him, right? So talk to her for me, or they won't pass on this message. Or if they know that a lot of people find you attractive, it really triggers them a lot, because they may feel like people don't find them attractive. This person's weird. Keep away from this individual.